in the exercise 9.2, here is the first question given that only find the sum. Then how can we find the sum? These two rational numbers is given 5 by 4 plus and minus 11 by 4. So dear, you know that very well that the multiplication of plus and minus is always minus, because I told you that the opposite sign, multiplication of opposite sign always gives you negative sign, and the multiplication of same sign as minus into minus, this gives you plus. The result will be plus, and again plus into plus you will get plus, but minus into minus you will get plus. Minus and plus, this is opposite, so always minus, and same way plus into minus, again minus. So here is a sign plus and minus, this gives you negative sign, that is you will write it as 5 by 4 and minus 11 by 4. After that, as fraction, you will observe here, this is the denominator and denominators are same. So you will write only one times this denominator, that is 4. And numerator you will write same to same, that is 5 and then minus sign and then 11. So dear, in the result of fraction, you will get the result plus, positive number. But in the case of integers, here you will get the negative result also. So dear, first of all, because here is plus and minus, 5 is positive sign and 11 is the negative sign, so you will subtract always. If the opposite sign you will get in the numbers, then you will always subtract these two numbers. So 11 minus 5? 6. And after that you will observe which number is greater. 11 is greater, okay, and 11 having minus sign, okay. So you will put here minus sign, that is minus, and denominator will be same. After that you can simplify it, otherwise you can write this into the lowest form by dividing 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4. So it is minus 3 by 4. This is the result of this question. 3 by 2, okay. It is minus 3 by 2. Now this is the second part. In this part you can see that both rational numbers having positive sign, okay. So you can add it, but here the denominators are not same. First of all, either you will take the LCM, otherwise you will make the denominator same by multiplying by the second denominator in the first fraction and the first denominator into the second fraction. दो तरीके हैं, या तो आप इसका LCM ले लो, या तो फिर आप इस तरह से यहाँ पे जो डिनोमिनेटर है फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन में मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, और जो सेकंड यहाँ पे फ्रैक्शन है उसमें फर्स्ट डिनोमिनेटर का मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, तो सेम आ जाएगा. क्या मैं बता रहा हूँ? मैं ये बता रहा हूँ, यू कैन मेक द डिनोमिनेटर सेम एज 5 into what is the denominator? 5. So here you will multiply 5 in both numerator and denominator, and then put the plus sign. Here is the plus sign, and now 3 by 5. This is the second rational number. Here you will multiply the first denominator, that is 3 into 3. So you will get it 25 upon 15 and plus 9 upon 15. You can observe that here that the denominators are same. So you can add these two rational numbers. As you can see that 15 you will write only one times, and 25 plus 9. This gives you how much? 34 upon 15. And 34 upon 15 you cannot write it to the lowest form. But if you want, then you can convert it to the mixed fraction. So 15 to the 30, you can write is 2 and remaining is 4 by 15. So this is the answer. Otherwise you can write this answer only. Okay. So this is the method. Now dear, you will see this is the next question. In this question, whole number is also given. So there are two methods. Number one, first of all you will simplify only whole number in the first bracket and the other rational numbers separately. As you see, some students talking. So here minus 2 and then plus 4. Just like that. इस तरह से भी आप कर सकते हैं. And after that, this is the negative sign, minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5. So you can see that 4 minus 2, it is 2. And now minus 1 by 3 and plus 3 by 5. You can observe once again, denominators are not same. So what to do? You will take the LCM. Second method अब मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे इस तरह से भी आप कर सकते थे और अब LCM लेके भी. So now LCM of 3 and 5. This here equal to 15. Because both are the prime numbers, so LCM is the multiplication of 3 and 5. You will get 15. So dear, this 2 you will write only single times, and then here you will write the LCM, that is 15. Now you divide this 15 by 3. 3 5s are 15, and 5 is multiplied in the numerator, that is 1 into 5, and sign is there minus, so you will put minus, and then this is the plus sign, so you will put the plus sign, and after that divide this 15 by the second denominator, that is 5. So 15 by 5 means 3, and 3 you will multiply in the this numerator, that is 3 into 3. So dear, you will get it is minus 5 and plus 9 upon 15. So dear, this is the negative and this is the positive sign. Okay. So 9 minus 5. If the opposite signs you will get, then always subtract to each other. So 9 minus 5, you will get 4. This is 2 and 4 by 15, and you can see that 9 is the largest number between these two, and 9 have the positive sign, so you will put here positive sign. So no need to write here plus 4, you can write only 4, because this is understood, if there is no sign in the number, then always it is a positive number. So this is the answer of this question. इस तरह से भी आप इसे कर सकते थे, और दूसरा तरीका ये है कि आप इसे कैसे कर सकते हैं दूसरे 3 2 जा 6 and 1 minus 7 by 3 plus 4 5 are 20 23 upon 5. After that you will take the LCM of 3 and 5, it is 15. So now you will write 15 only once time, and now divide this by 15. So 15 by 3 means 5, and 5 into 7, 7 into 5 plus, and divide this 15 by 5, 3, so 23 into 3. Yes dear, you will get it is 35 and 69. Okay, 1 is negative, second is positive, so always you will subtract it. 9 minus 5, 4, and 6 minus 3 means 3, and 69 is greater than 35 and 69 having positive sign, so you will here put plus by 15 here, and 34 is greater than 15, so you will convert this into the mixed fraction. So this rational number can be written as 15 2 ja 30 and the remaining is 4, so you will write this 4 and by 15. So you can observe that both the result are same. Either you can solve just like that, this is the first method, otherwise you can solve this is the second method, you will get the answer just like that, same to same. तो इस तरह से हम किसी भी रेशनल नंबर को ऐड कर सकते हैं, नॉट ओनली दिस, एनी रेशनल नंबर्स यू कैन ऐड. ओके, you can observe here. Find -2 and 1/9 and -6. This is the first rational number, this is the second rational number. So first of all you will write the rational number into the standard form, that is in the p by q form, by writing it by 1. So now you can see that this is a rational number in the form of p by q. Okay, after that you will convert this into again standard form, that is 2 9 are 18 and 1 19 upon 9 and -6 upon 1. So here is 9, here is 1, either you can take the LCM, otherwise you will multiply here by 9, then you will get the same denominator. So no problem, we will multiply here by 9 in the next step. So -19 by 9 and -6 into 9 and 1 into 9. In all the questions in which you will get the rational number in the form of whole number, you direct multiply the denominator in that number, okay, that rational number. So you will get here the result, that is -19 upon 9 and -6 9 ja 54 upon again 9. So you can observe that the denominators are same in the both rational numbers. Now dear, either you can write, because this is negative, this is negative, if you will get the same sign, then always you will add it. Otherwise you can write, take as minus common, minus बाहर ले लो, तो ये हो जाएगा 19 upon 9 plus 54 upon 9. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. Otherwise you can directly use the property. If you will get the same sign, then always you will add, but you will put the same sign in the result. रिजल्ट में वही साइन पुट करना है. अगर यहाँ माइनस माइनस है तो रिजल्ट में भी माइनस, प्लस प्लस है तो रिजल्ट में भी प्लस. ठीक है, अगर सेम साइन है तो ऐड करना है. बहुत बच्चे ऐसे कर लेते हैं, माइनस सर माइनस माइनस प्लस, और प्लस करके वो प्लस करके छोड़ के आ जाते हैं. गलत हो गया, इट इज नॉट राइट. सो आइदर यू कैन से, you can see that sir both sign is negative, so we will add these two rational numbers and put the negative sign in the result. Otherwise we can take the negative sign as common, then we will get these things. After that we can write this minus and this denominator only single times. अब जो बच्चे बातें करते हैं वो हमेशा यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे, 9 + 9 18 लिख के आएंगे. पता ही नहीं है. न्यूमरेटर ओनली यू विल ऐड द न्यूमरेटर, डोंट ऐड द डिनोमिनेटर. सो दिस इज 19 and 54. So dear, how much it? 9 and 4? 33. And this is 5. How much? 73 by 9. And here is the negative sign, so you will put same to same. Okay. After that you can observe that this is the largest number from the denominator, so you will convert into the whole numbers, that is 9 8 ja 72. So 8 is the whole number and minus is you will put same to same, and 9 8 ja 72. 73 minus 72 is remainder is 1, so 1 you will write here. So you can write this is 8 and 1 by 9. This is the answer of this question. अदरवाइज यहाँ भी आप डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते थे. मैंने बोला रिजल्ट में माइनस करना है तो 19 और 54 को ऐड कर लो. तो भी वही आएगा -73/9, और फिर इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो वही आएगा -8/9। तो ऐसे कर लो या ऐसे, बोथ द वे इज करेक्ट। ओके डियर।